Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel Brandside256. In this video I'm gonna show you on how to set up 24 clan VPN Lite. So you can use this VPN to secure your online privacy and security when you're browsing or on the internet. Okay. In case you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and even leave a like to the video. Okay. In case you find any challenges, make sure to leave a comment such that I help you out in the comment section. Okay. So by using this VPN, I will surely help you on how to set it up, and I will be able to secure your online browsing and keep it safe. Okay. So what you need to do is to go to your Play Store and install this VPN. As you can see, it is called 24 Clan VPN Lite SSH. Okay, it's a gaming VPN, so just have to click to open it up. As you can see, I'm connected. Okay, so as long as you download it, what you need to do is to come and click right here like this. So let me first disconnect it. So look through and choose out your country. Okay, you just have to go ahead and choose out your country. In case you're done, you just have to continue and tap on this, select the server location. Okay, because this one is so fast, and you just have to click to connect. So as long as you click to connect, you shall be connected instantly. As you can see, it's already connected. So in case you want to add the time, this is where you add time from. Okay, in case you want to add the time, this is where you add the time from. You click here where there is time, unlimited time. You click on it and you watch an ad, then they add you time such that you secure your online connection. So let's go and try on YouTube and we see the way it works. As you can see, pages are opening. I've tried to visit our channel Brandside256. Let me play one video and you see. As you can see, ads already playing. It is very fast, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel